In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to change and replace the battery in a Tesla Model X remote control. You'll know when the battery is ready for replacing if the remote stops functioning correctly, but the Tesla will also give you a warning of the key fob battery being low on the dashboard when that key fob has been used to activate the vehicle. The equipment you should have ready before you replace the battery is a replacement CR2354 3-volt cell battery and a screwdriver that will fit this compartment just on the side of the remote control. When you are ready to replace the battery, take the remote control and invert it, and using the screwdriver, just oyster open the back compartment, lifting upwards. It'll flip off if it's been off before. This reveals the CR2354. Again, use the screwdriver just to oyster the old battery out of its housing. There we go. The CR2354 is quite a bulky, thick battery. Replace with the new battery in the same alignment, and then replace the cover. You'll see that the flange that goes into the nose of the remote control needs to be inserted first, and then just rotate it round and clip closed. You now have a new, fully functioning remote control with a fresh battery. Thanks for watching.